My name is Twan Altena and I am an application engineer at De Hoek van Kurosi. It is possible to achieve a roughness up to 0.02 Ra, but is highly dependent on the process and material of the workpiece. The working area of the table is 800 by 400 mm, and the maximum height of a product that we can process is 400 mm. The maximum height is dependent on the height of the electrode and how deep we need to machine. The maximum working depth of the machine is 173 mm. The maximum area which we can process is dependent on two factors: the maximum axis pressure and the maximum generator power. There are multiple forces which are working on the z-axis, such as the pressure of the electrolyte, which is pushing against the electrode, and the Lorentz force, which is triggered by the electrical field. In general, we need about 0.8 to 1 amperes per square millimeters in order to have a good process, but this also depends on the material. So, for example, for a part of about 2000 square millimeters, we also need about 2000 amps. I would like to thank you for your attention and interest in the PECM technique. I will hope to see you later at De Hoek. Goodbye.